Next question on rectification of errors. Rectify the following. A credit purchase of rupees 20,000 from Mata Osia ji is debited to her account as rupees 10,000. So let's try the solution. Right entry, wrong entry, reverse entry and rectified entry. So, a credit purchase of rupees 20,000 from Mata Osia ji. Your entry will be purchase account debit. How much? 20,000 to Mata Osia ji is 20,000. Okay. Debited to her account at rupees 10,000. Now mistake is, instead of crediting her account, you are debiting her account, and that too by 10,000 instead of 20,000. So what you are doing? You are debiting Mata Osia ji's account. So Mata Osia ji account debit with rupees 10,000 instead of 20,000. Okay, so you have debited it. Purchase account debit था वो रहेगा ही. So purchase account debit, उसका Mata Osia ji accounts you have debited it with 10,000 and purchase account here is debit 20,000. So purchase account debit 20,000 and you have not credited Mata Osia ji account, you have debited it. So 2 dash, not credited what you had to credit. Okay, now the reverse entry of what you had done. Dash account debit to Mata Osia ji account 10,000 to purchase account 20,000. Okay, now this is the reverse entry, and now cancel whatever you can cancel. So purchase account 20,000 in debit and purchase account 20,000 in credit, cancel it. Now in debit dash and Mata Osia ji in credit and Mata Osia ji in credit. So your rectified entry dash account debit and Mata Osia ji 20,000 per plus 10,000 in credit. So to Mata Osia ji 20,000 plus 10,000 30,000. Okay, so one side is blank, that means your solution will be no entry, and Mata Osia ji's account should be credited with 30,000. Okay, so Mata Osia ji's account should be credited by 30,000 rupees. Okay, now moving on the next question. They are not related to each other, these points. So let's start. Rectify the following. Rent received rupees 51 from Anjali is recorded in debit side of rent account as rupees 15. So our format first, right entry, wrong entry, your reverse entry and your rectified entry. Rent received rupees 51 from Anjali. So I have received. Do I really need to remember Anjali's name? No, it is already received. It is a cash receipt. So the entry will be cash account debit 51. Why am I receiving it? Because of rent. So to rent 51. Okay, is recorded in debit side of rent account as 15. So what you are doing? Rent account debit rupees 15 and रेंट अकाउंट जो क्रेडिट होना चाहिए था 51 से वो आपने किया है रेंट अकाउंट डेबिट 15. कैश अकाउंट तो डेबिट में पड़ा ही है 51. सो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 51 एंड जो क्रेडिट होना चाहिए था वो नहीं किया रेंट अकाउंट, उसको डेबिट कर दिया है. सो टू खाली. Okay, now do the reverse entry. Dash account debit because you did not write anything here. Rent को credit करना था, उसकी जगह debit कर दिया. This is empty. So dash account खाली in reverse. To rent 15. यहाँ से लाया debit से to rent 15. To cash 51. Okay, now the rectified entry. Cancel whatever you can. जो डेबिट में भी है और क्रेडिट में भी है of equal amounts, just cancel it. So cash here in debit 51 and cash here in credit 51. Cancel it. Now rent is in credit but nothing is in debit, so can't do anything for it. So rectified dash account debit. Now two items in rent and so to rent how much? 51 plus 15. 51 plus 15 comes up to 66. So again one side is nil, so your solution will be no entry and the net effect is you have to credit rent account to be credited by 66. Rent account to be credited by rupees 66. Okay, now moving on to the next question for rectification of errors. Rectify the following. These questions are not interrelated, just small pointer questions just to clear your basic concepts. A purchase return of 560 to Aditi has been credited to her account as 650. So let's first of all make a format. Our working: right entry, wrong entry, reverse entry and rectified entry. So how will you do it? A purchase return of 560 to Aditi. Purchase किया था, purchase account debit. Now purchase return, so purchase return account credit and giving it back to Aditi. So Aditi's account debit. Aditi's account debit by 560 to purchase return 560 has been credited to her account as 650. Okay, so Aditi account को डेबिट करना था, वो तो किया ही नहीं. So this is nil and credited. Aditi को नीचे लेकर आए. So here it is nil in debit. So dash account debit because Aditi should be debited, but clearly said credited her account as 650. So what you had done? To Aditi 650 and purchase return तो है ही already credit में. So to purchase return 560. Okay, now your reverse entry. मीन्स जो भी क्रेडिट में उठा के डेबिट में डालो और डेबिट का क्रेडिट में डालो, दैट इज योर रिवर्स एंट्री. सो एंट्री इज परचेज रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट 560, Aditi account debit 650, 650 to dash account. Okay, and for rectified, now compare the right and the reverse. Your rectified entry dash whatever you can cancel. See, Aditi debit and Aditi debit here also. Purchase return in your debit and purchase return in your credit. So cancel purchase return and purchase return. So Aditi's account debit here. How much? 560. And Aditi's account here also debit 650. So it will be 560 plus 650. So Aditi's account is debited by 1210 to dash. Means one side is empty. So your solution will be no entry. एक साइड कोई भी डेबिट या क्रेडिट मिसिंग है, एंट्री कैसे होगी? नो एंट्री. फॉर रेक्टिफिकेशन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? Aditi's account debited by 1210. No entry. For rectification, Aditi's account debited, डेबिट में है ना, debited by 1210. Okay, this is all for the solution presented to you by aforaccounts.com.